wala pa yung mga counter. Kaya yun, babalik na lang tayo mamaya. Dahil gusto kong bumili ng gulay. May gulay naman doon kasi gusto kong bumili ng sweet potato.
So ito yung park.
Dito yung nagre-reserve ng mga empleyado sa may civic center. Ayan yung civic center, post office yan guys. Hang out the whole next day. May mga shop-shop din dyan.
Laughing, having fun.
So ito yung naglalakad. Oh my God, may manok. May manok pala dito. Oh my God, may manok pala dito. Really? May 5 anak?
Summer love, you
Grabe.
know I did what you did to me.
Di ba?
Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you
Yan.
go?
Doon sa may 7-Eleven. Sarap ng pakiramdam. Sarap ng tulog ko kanina guys. Ano siya. Kasi before ako natulog kasi nag-exercise
Remember
ako.
the days
Mga
we
30 minutes siguro.
wild and free, basic getting
Para naman mamove yung ano natin.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole
Taba
next
natin. Kasi
day, laughing, having fun.
sa kaupo minsan.
Summer love, you have no idea what you
So,
did to
malapit
me.
na ang National Day. Kaya
Summer
yan.
love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be.
Yun.
You were mine, I was yours.
National
Take
flag.
me back once more.
Dito kasi banda dito ang
Summer love,
pinakaharap.
where did you
Mas
go?
maraming harap ng munisipyo.
You have no idea what you did to me. Summer love,
So, ito
didn't
yung
care
old
that we
na
weren't meant to be.
lalakaran.
You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Lalakaran ng daanan ng bisikleta, daanan ng motorbike, lalo yung mga electric bike na mga hindi siya makalakad. Dito sila. Minsan doon sa taas din. Dyan sa loob ng building. Pwede na rin dyan. Yan, unti-unting lumiwanag. Kaya na, dilim-dilim pa, no? Before 7 o'clock. So, ayun. Dito muna tayo. Mamaya tayo mag-crossing, guys. Yan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may crossing. Okay. Let's. So, pwede na tayo mamaya bakit hindi pa nagmo-move yun? Okay. Daming sasakyan. Ayan guys, malapit na kasi ang Johor Bahru dito. Ayan. Malapit ng Johor Bahru. Ito yung daan papuntang Johor Bahru, guys. Yung way na papuntang Johor Bahru na dyan. So, ayan, mag-cross na lang muna tayo, guys. Hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Thank you so much and God bless to all. Good morning! Yan o. View. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. P1. Liliit, mga bata. Ito yung tinuturuan na magpunta sa school na sila na lang. Yan. Hindi kagaya yung mga alaga ko noon. Hatid, sundo sila. Oh. So, yun yung school. Hatid. Maghahatid mga student. So, andito na tayo. Paakyat na tayo, guys. Dadaan ako kanina sa may NGOC. Kaso lang, ano siya? Sarado pa. Wala pa yung mga counter. Kaya, umuwi muna tayo. So, ayan, di pa lumalabas yung yung sikat ng araw. Ayan. Papalabas pa lang. Late dito, guys, na lumalabas yung sikat ng araw.